Alright guys, in today's video, you are going to see from start to finish how I get clients with cold email. I'm going to show you an actual client that I signed up for X27 services with cold email. It was one cold email, he got back to me, we booked a call. I think we had 2 or 3 sales calls, closed the deal, and he became a client. It was a 5-figure deal, maybe closer to between 5 and 6 figures. And they've already almost made their entire return on investment in month 1, which is awesome news. They're rocking it out. They're a great client. They're amazing. We love them. And I want to show you, and he gave me permission, by the way, to show you this, but I'm going to show you how I actually turned him from a cold prospect into a warm lead into a client, a customer. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. If you are using cold email to get more clients, then you need to have the highest quality leads possible to get the best results. I've just put together a free training that will help you do exactly that. It's a series of short videos that will walk you through the exact lead generation process that I've used to close hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of business, all using cold email. It's step-by-step, very simple, short videos, and some of my students have already used it to close 5 figures of business within the first week or 2 after they download the document, so I highly recommend that you check it out. You'll learn how to pick the right case study, how to target the right companies, where to find those companies, how to choose the right decision makers and where to find them, how to find their emails, how to validate them, a few other tricks that I haven't shared anywhere else online, and much more. So if you are ready to close more clients with cold email, then click the link in the description below and they'll send it over to you so you can get started today. All right, so the very first thing that you need to do when you are crafting an outreach campaign is figuring out who you're going to go after. And the way you do that is by looking at your past case studies. So I have case studies, a lot of case studies helping agencies grow. And so I decided to use that case study. The case study was, I think, that I helped fuel. Let me see what I said in my email. Actually it was a creative agency. I didn't even mention the name of the agency, but we helped them generate 100 leads in 6 months, one deal with over $700,000 on the initial contract. So I decided to go after other creative agencies. So the way that I did that was I went and searched top creative agencies in New York City, and guess what? Here comes Clutch. And so then I started searching through Clutch and I started adding all of these companies to a list. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you how that works. So let's say the first name, the company name, we'll do the company name, website, position, first name, last name, email, first line. Okay, so let's go through and do a few of these. So we can just grab Cutwater. We'll do Cutwater. Okay. Spitball advertising. And then I'll do CMYK, which is the client as an example. So then we're going to go to their website and we're just going to go ahead and copy down all the information that we need to cold email them. So you go to Cutwater. Oh, this is the wrong one. Agency. Cutwater. This should be it. Is it it? I think this is it. Okay. Here's Cutwater, their website. We'll go out to Spitball Advertising, get their website, and then I'll show you CMYK agency. Okay. They're really cool guys. They have a really nice website. They do awesome work. Glad to have them as a client. So what we're going to do is, I'll show you their site because they're pretty cool. They have a lot of cool stuff. They do a lot of video, event production, branding, design, cool things like that. So anyway, we're going to add their website, and now we're going to go after the CEO. So the next thing you're going to do is go to LinkedIn, and you're going to find these companies on LinkedIn so you can actually grab their emails. So we're going to search for Cutwater, the agency. Okay. So we're going to look at the people who work here, and we're going to, after this size company, we're going to go after the CEO. Founder, Chief Creative Officer. So this is going to be it. Chuck McBride. Okay, so he's the founder, and we'll say Chuck McBride, and we'll do the same for Spitball Advertising. Let's see what else we got here. 11 employees. So this is probably the person. Entrepreneur, Creative Directory. I'll say Creative Director. Okay, Steve Bailey. And then we're going to go after Adam Scher at CMYK. He's the guy who I reached out to. So they have 29 employees. We're going to go people. We're going to find Adam. There he is. Really cool dude. I'm going to connect with him actually. Not sure why I haven't yet. What is his title? Co-founder. All right, creative director. So his name's Adam share. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use Hunter to find their emails. So I just have a tool. I use add-ons. This is a paid tool, but you can actually do it for free. If you want to learn how to find emails for free and how to follow this process in a very, very broken down manner, grab the training document in the description. It will show you exactly how to do it step by step in a very, very straightforward manner. So now it's going to go through and find their emails for me. Didn't find his. Let's see if we can guess it. Not really important for the example though, so I'll just do one spit-ball.com. Let's see, it's gonna work. That's his email. You can see it's his email because it has all 4 of these lit up. If you want to know why, check out my training document. Again, it's all good stuff. These are all valid emails, so we're good to go. Okay, and then the next thing you gotta do once you have their emails is write them a personalized compliment. So I have a video about first lines. I'm just gonna grab the first line that I used for his cold email. Found CMYK on Clutch while looking for video agencies. Awesome work with Lesser Evil. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with them. All I did was call out a portfolio item. I didn't even write a fully custom first line. This is the first line. It was found company on Clutch while looking for niche agencies and love the work you did with portfolio item. So I just went on their site and I looked at one of their case studies and I just called it out, and it seemed very customized. So it's found CMYK and Clutch looking for creative agencies, basically. And then this looks super customized. What did I say? I called out Lesser Evil. So Lesser Evil. This is the first line, right? So you can do that for all 3 of these companies. Okay, so this is the point. You make a list of 100 companies. You find all their company names, websites, positions, first, last names. You write every single one a personalized compliment. Then you set them up in Mixmax. And if you don't know how to cold email with Mixmax, check out my YouTube video about it. I have a video where I show you how to take a list of people and how to send them all cold emails using Mixmax, which is an outreach tool. Okay, so then once you have the email sent out, this is what's going to happen. Here's the script. Hi, Adam. Found CMYK on Clutch while looking for video agencies. Awesome work with Lesser Evil. Just helped one of our video creative agency clients generate over 100 leads in 6 months. One deal with $750K on the initial contract. Huge return overall. So here's the case study sentence. It's clearly lead generation is the offer. I helped someone just like him make a lot of money. Call to action. Can you take on more clients? Let me know, and I'll send over some times. So it's like 4 sentences long. It could be even 3 sentences long. So Adam gets back to me. Hey Jacob, thanks for the note. We're always looking to grow our business. Would be interested in a quick chat, so let's set something up. So I sent him my calendar link. He booked a meeting through here. Notice I have no links in my email. This is a link to respond to me. But you shouldn't have any links in your signature. No links in the email. Very plain, very good script. Personalized. He gets back, asks to call. He books a meeting. Now the next thing that we do is have a discovery call. And I have a video on my YouTube channel about discovery calls where we ran through all of his stuff, his current context, his goals, his challenges, what was keeping him up at night, how he wanted to alleviate those problems, what solutions were in his mind, how much money we'd be actually making for him, when he wanted to start, how much he would spend, who else was involved, his partner Chris, and what he wanted to see in the plan. So he told me his situation. I'm not going to share all that because he did say I could share this email and the website with him, but I'm going to keep his more personal, contact stuff private. But overall, he shared with me where he was, where he wanted to go, and how he wanted to get there. So I put together a plan to show him how we could help him with exactly that. He liked it. So then he got his co-founder, his business partner on another call. He was a little skeptical because they had been burned in the past, but we worked out the issues. We onboarded them, and they signed up for a 5-figure contract for the year. And again, they closed a $50,000 website using this same strategy in the first month of working with us. So this is how it works. This is how you get clients with cold email. It's very, very straightforward, actually. The sales process, I think, is harder than cold emailing, but you have to get good at booking yourself meetings first. So this is how you book yourself meetings, and then once you book yourself calls, then you can learn how to do sales, which is a whole nother beast. And I have more videos about sales as well. But this is how you get clients with cold email. You identify a case study, you find a lead pool or find a list of leads to reach out to, and you personalize the emails. You send them a cold email. Once they respond back to you, you book a call, and then you run the discovery call. I have a video about how to do that. and then you run the proposal call. And I actually need to make a video about the proposal call, so I can do that soon. Let me know if you want that. If you got value from this video, please like it. It would really help me out. I would love to have more people see the video as well. And if you're not subscribed, you should, because weekly, several times a week now, I post videos about cold email, sales, and a bit of mindset as well. So if that interests you, if you want to grow your business or you want to be a better salesperson, then subscribe for more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye-bye.